Hey guys, today I will tell you how to withdraw funds from eToro to PayPal.
How to withdraw funds from eToro to PayPal. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer funds from your eToro account to PayPal. Now, you might be wondering why PayPal appears as an option for me. I'm able to use it because eToro requires you to first deposit money using PayPal before you are allowed to withdraw to it. Here's how it works. When you go to deposit funds, you'll see PayPal as a payment method. But here's the catch, it's only enabled after you've made your very first deposit using another method like a credit card or bank transfer. So essentially, you need to make two deposits, one initial deposit with any available method, and then a second one specifically through PayPal. Only after completing a PayPal deposit will the platform unlock the option to withdraw back to your PayPal account. Once that's done, head over to the withdraw funds section. There, you'll be able to choose PayPal as your withdrawal method, enter the amount you'd like to transfer, and confirm the transaction. After that, the process is straightforward. Most withdrawals are processed quickly, often within minutes, and you should see the money in your PayPal account shortly, though it might take up to a few business days in rare cases. To sum it up, no PayPal deposit, no PayPal withdrawal. That's the rule on eToro right now.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.